Okay, so let's review real quickly about the distributive property. The distributive property states that if I have this expression 5 parentheses 2 plus 3, that it is equal to saying 5 times 2 plus 5 times 3. So generally when we would evaluate this expression, we would do the parentheses first, 2 plus 3, which is 5, and multiply it by the outside number, because that would be the next operation, and we would get 25. So the distributive property tells us that we could take 5 and distribute it to the 2, and then distribute it to the 5, and end up with the same answer. So if we take 5 times 2, we get 10, and 5 times 3, we get 15. And if we add them together, we should get the same answer as if we did the parentheses first. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, that's a distributive property. Now let's do it with a variable. Let's say 5 times x plus 3. Now, you're going to want to use the distributive property when there's variables on the inside to get rid of the parentheses. We've been working with evaluating equivalent expressions. So a lot of times you're going to want to get rid of the parentheses so you can combine like terms. So let's use the distributive property on this expression. The distributive property tells us that we can take the 5 and distribute it to the terms inside the parentheses. So 5 times 8 is 5x. 5 times 3 is 15. And we just bring the sign, put it in between the two. 5x plus 15 is equivalent to 5 parentheses x plus 3. We've just evaluated it, simplified it without the parentheses. Let's do one more. 2x plus 2 parentheses x plus 4. So here's an instance in where you're going to have to get rid of the parentheses in order to combine like terms to simplify this expression. So before we deal with this 2x, let's use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 2x plus 8. And let's bring our other term over here down, 2x. So now we have 2x plus 2x plus 8. Now if you watch the other video about combining like terms, we know that if terms have the same variable with the same exponents, this one doesn't have an exponent, the exponent would just be 1, we can combine them. So 2x plus 2x is 4x, and then the rest of our expression plus 8. So 4x plus 8 is a simplified expression of 2x plus 2 parentheses x plus 4. By using the distributive property, we simplified it down to 4x plus 8.